WoodWow is a unique remote control wood assembling mechanical model. And it is also modular and programmable. No glue or screw is needed for putting the beautiful mechanism together. There is just one WoodWow robot. You can use it as a racing chariot and as a massive artillery machine. This one is an amazing soccer player. And this one can conquer the wild world with the tracks we provided. For anyone who is interested in assembling robot, WoodWow is a go-to option. We combine technology and assembling model into one kit. Assembling WoodWow is incredibly easy. Featuring the FSC-proved wood material, it is long-lasting and eco-friendly. The well-designed mechanism provides you with an invincible structure and a better assembling experience. You can also cooperate with your family or friends. It also comes with different stickers for your personal preferences. The Mecanum wheel and water bullet transmission gear allow it to stand out even more. Instructions on the app will help you pick up really quickly. It also comes with the HD camera, voice recognition, radar module, and more. Control via app or the controller. WoodWow Robot is just one command away from being the superstar of the field. Don't miss out on the opportunity of having your best pal. WoodWow embraces your creativities. It will become a family member to bring you more happiness. Via a few graphic programming steps, just drag and create to help you study. You think this is the end? No, this is just the beginning.